Hey my friend, 2024 over in what felt like less than 3 months. It was short, yes, but definitely difficult. I'm proud of you for making it through. I know you needed to hear that again. I'm proud of you. Your time's valuable and I'm not going to waste it. Nothing in life is guaranteed, but if you can just take action on these 3 tips that I'm about to tell you right now, I can almost guarantee that 2025 will be your best year yet, period. The first one, pretty important. One thing that stops 99% of people, even me sometimes, is fear. Not necessarily just fear of others, but also fear of ourselves. Fear that we're not enough for the status, the goals, the resolutions we set for ourselves. And I don't want that to be you. Every time you think that you're being a bit too stupid or ambitious, remind yourself that you only get one shot in this life. There's this big pimple on my nose right now, but I'm recording this video anyways. Last time I overcame just that tiny little fear, it got me $2,000 and more importantly helped thousands around the world. That's pretty bueno if you ask me. Second, progressive overload. You want to slowly increase the amount of work, the intensity of what you do. But here's the catch. You see so many people aim for that big goal and inevitably fail. What you're going to do instead is build momentum, because the opposite of a rut is momentum. Make that first step so damn easy that it will be embarrassing for you not to do it. If you're starting out in exercising, for example, don't do a full workout. Just do 5 push-ups and the day is a win already. That's it for today. Tomorrow increase it to 10, let's say, so on and so forth. This third lesson is from my heart, so I do hope you take it to heart, alright? I haven't dropped my law video yet, but this third lesson is to be warm for everyone, but never light yourself on fire to do so. Be warm for everyone, because if you haven't yet, one day you'll realize that there's always something you can learn from everyone around you, whether you think they're dumb, smart, or weird, or hell, even if they've wronged you, there's still something life-changing you can take away from them, alright? For the second part of that lesson, never light yourself on fire, because if the other person actually cares about you, right, you'll never have to. If you're like younger me, you spent years subconsciously chasing stuff from other people, whether it's attention, love, or just hoping that they would finally make you feel enough. You chased all this because you felt that you never got enough. You never had enough of the validation that you craved. And it's okay to need a bit of validation from other people, but make sure that they choose you too, alright? In my experience, the most foolproof way of annihilating your happiness, literally annihilating your happiness, any bit of joy you have left, is to feel that you need validation from someone who doesn't give a shit about you, alright? In case you needed to hear it again, the most efficient way to depression is to require validation from the people who do not share the strong values that you've built for yourself. Your action step right now, put the person you want to be and the lifestyle you want to have down in the comments. Your action step right now is to put the person you want to be and the lifestyle you'd like to have in 2026 down in the comments. Don't worry, I'll do that too. And could you do one last favor for me, please? You put your hand on your chest and you feel that good heart of yours. I want you to keep it, no matter what this world gives to you, alright? And could you just do one last favor for me, please? Put your hand on your chest. And could you just do one last favor for me, please? Put your hand on your chest. You feel that good heart of yours. I want you to keep it and let nothing in this world change that.